This video we will show how to realize the automatically loading material. If we press button 6 plus mode, 6 plus mode, then the material will be automatically loading. And if we press 8 plus mode, then it will automatically fix the material. We will set the machine stop position.
然后手动嘛是把它对到。
How to do the tool calibration?
对到木料的角。
Just now we choose the manually mode. If we choose this working mode, then we can press X plus and X negative to make it move forward or backward.
然后停令。
And then we will do the zero clearance. 对不住胶了，稍等一下啊。怎么对不住胶了嘞？等一下，我重启一下吧。